Okay, here we go. Okay, now VVR. The VVR is a simple circuit to regulate the high voltage of a tube amplifier. As there are many guitar amps out there, it would be impossible to cover them all on how to install the VVR module in all of those amps. Without going any further, instead of talking theories, why don't we dive into a concrete project? Today's project is the installation of a VVR module into the Kustom Defender 5H. You've probably heard already that the VVR can be installed right after the standby switch. In many amps, the standby switch can point the ideal spot for the VVR module, but the Defender has no standby switch. No problem. Not only will we install a standby switch, we will install a double standby switch. Now let me explain the function of the double standby switch. The double standby switch has the following positions. The middle position is the off position. No current flows to the anodes of the tubes. The down position is the VVR mode. The current flows to the anodes through the VVR module and can be regulated by the VVR part. The up position will make the amp function as before, as if no changes were made. If we want to make an A/B test of the VVR and no VVR, we just push the switch 2 steps. If we want to start the amp without using the VVR, we just go in the upper position. And yeah, I like it when there's many screws. I decided to move the power switch in the back. I will put it centered, yeah, here. Nice and smooth. We have it here in the back. So when I want to turn on the amp, I will do like this. And now here I have place for the double standby switch and for the VVR module VVR. Okay, they should fit in here. It's a perfect joint. Nice. Now, let me test again. Okay. Here we have a pot. Here we are looking for the best place to position the standby switch. So here's our schematic with the power supply here and the amplifier here. I have a detailed view only of the power supply. Here we have the transformer, the rectifier. It's a solid state rectifier with diodes. Here we have our first capacitor. This is the reservoir. And here we have another capacitor of the same value. Yeah, we can say that it's the first filter. It's filtering the current that goes to the power amp tube. The ideal place to position the standby switch is after the reservoir capacitor. Here is this point here. Let me see if a turret would work. This would be a really nice job. And I will enlarge the hole. Nice. That's it. Come on. Like this. This is really nice. Okay. So this is it. We have the circuit ready. Standby switch, the VVR is ready. I just have to fix the MOSFET on the chassis. I'm mounting a radiator on the chassis, and on this aluminum radiator I will mount the MOSFET. I sanded down the paint of the chassis, not for electrical contact, but for thermal contact. Okay. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to do the test. That's the thing, doing the test. Let's turn on the amp. Boom, it's turned on, nice and blue. Okay, here we go. troubleshooting, blah, blah, installation, building, and the Sony VVR. Here, the 1 meg resistor is the grid load resistor for the first tube stage of the amplifier. You need to move the 1 mega ohm directly on the tube socket. This amp here has the 1 mega ohm grid resistor already connected to the grid. I don't have anything to move, so in order to get rid of the scratchy poties, I need to put here, I need to put a coupling cap. We will make the tweak and come back for another test.